Welcome to 203 West 90th Street, apartment 3F.
This condominium has the best bang for the buck in New York City.
And this apartment has
a bonus room and 1.5 baths. This condo has an oversized renovated kitchen, perfect for cooks or fabulous ordering in at the dining table. It features granite counters, stainless appliances, an oversized French door fridge with an ice maker, and white cabinetry too. Andrew, rumor has it a washer dryer has been allowed in this space as well. But there's an awesome laundry room in the condo building too. The kitchen's large window faces Secret Garden across the way and the Luciola restaurant too.
Rare for a condo in this price range. There's an extra half bath near the bonus room. It's windowed and renovated with white tiles and a beautiful cabinet there too.
The bonus room has a closet and a pocket door for privacy.
The living room has double windows which face to an open courtyard with side street views. And there's a window seat too if you want to curl up and read a book. There are French doors to the bedroom suite which has incredible storage. And the primary windowed bathroom was recently renovated and has a deep soaking tub.
The corner bedroom with 2 windows has an abundance of storage with a ceiling fan. Throughout the home there are wood floors, baseboard molding, and French doors. But this is all about condo, location, and value. Located near 2 parks, Central and Riverside, the express train, Dagon Restaurant, Whole Foods, the iconic gluten-free By the Way Bakery, Trader Joe's, and more. It does not get better than this. If you'd like to take a look at this Concierge condo
at 203 West 90th Street, apartment 3F,
the best bang for the buck in New York City.
give us a call or drop us an email.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
And I'm Andrew Phillips.
And we're at Brown Harris Stevens.